announcements.
Hello.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Shabby Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is get you out fast and efficiently as possible. I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. So we're going to get started. Ms. Orozco, good morning to you.
Oh, good morning.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Claudia Sophia Orozco, case number SP 1511245. Ms. Orozco, state your name for the record, please.
Claudia Orozco.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You've paid your obligation, ma'am. I'm going to dismiss your case. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
This is the City of Detroit versus Marco Livingston. Case numbers B1335824, B133859224, B133860024, B133862124, SP 1586365, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, DeMarco Livingston.
Morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Mr. Livingston.
Mr. Livingston, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's see what I didn't pull the offers up yet, Mr. Bradfield. Do you have the offers, Mr. Bradfield? And Mr. Faulkner, good morning to you.
Good morning. Excuse me.
Yes, I need to pull them up as well.
So no offers on the dog cases. They're really failure to vaccinate and failure to show a dog license. Do you have those documents, sir? It's just a yes or no question. If there's some
Yes, I do.
You do have them? All right.
Yes.
Then he's got also, that's not on the docket, a let's see, Livingston, no insurance proof.
Yes, I got that as well, sir.
And no expired place. So he indicates that he's got all the, that's supposed to be heard downstairs on an informal hearing in 220. I'm sure that we can pull that up here. Why don't you speak to Ms. Bradfield in the breakout room? And then Ms. Bradfield, speak to the city. He indicates you can go over his documentation. He indicates that he's got everything in compliance. See what the city wants to do, okay?
All right, thank you.
Join the room, please. And then breakout room will be for the city and the attorneys. That'll be for the city and the attorneys to work their deals out. Talk to you. Pass the matter. Let's go with Donovan Ramprell.
Yes, Your Honor.
Say, give me the correct pronunciation, sir.
Gambrell.
Gambrell. All right. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Donovan James Gambrell. Case numbers, SP 146057001, SP 1463364, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1576180, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
Mr. Gambrell, can you state your name for the record, please?
Donovan James Gambrell.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Stand mute, wait formal reading.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, will give a $0 bond. Mr. Gambrell, I do see that you owe $288 on a no insurance proof. I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, but if you paid that $288, we would send a clearance from the Secretary of State. From here to the Secretary of State, you would wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State, see if you can get a valid driver's license if you don't already have one. I'd give you some time to do that, but otherwise, the offer today is to resolve these cases is going to be pleading to the amended count of improper plates for the unregistered untitled, a $240 fine. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points, and I'll dismiss upon payment. For the failure to display, for the driver license suspended, a $240 fine, that will abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points. And that'll be a $240 fine. And the other matters will be dismissed. Mr. Gambrell, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Faulkner, have a conversation with him, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. And keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
All right, join the room, please. Okay, please not connected to audio. So we're gonna have to figure out what's going on. We're gonna wait on the lawyer and get the other cases called, so. Is Carlos Gadsden here? Yes, he is. I call Carlos Gadsden, city of Detroit versus Carlos Ricardo Gadsden, case number SP 1547217. Mr. Gadsden, state your name for the record, please.
Carlos Gaston.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. It seems like you made your obligation, sir. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss the case. All right.
Thank you, sir.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same thing.
Thank you.
All right.
It's Goodson here. Goodson. Michelle Gray. Is Michelle Gray here? Yeah, Michelle Gray is here. Michelle Gray.
Yes, I'm here.
This is the good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit. versus Michelle Nicole Gray, case number, this P 1580739, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
Michelle Nicole Gray.
All right, today is a date and time set for a review. You have not paid, ma'am, as far as I can see.
Right, not yet.
What's going on?
No, I just been back and forth, in and out the, hospital, but I'm trying to pay all my stuff by the end of this month.
Okay.
But this the same, it's like they keep issuing me the same tickets. Cause I just had saw you.
Hey, you got some more of these tickets? Well, you gotta stop driving then if you're driving.
No, it's the same date.
Oh, well, they're just sending you notices because it was a review probably to come to court. I don't know what you got actually. You got 2 more. I don't see any tickets in your name here.
Yeah, because I had just saw you, for my tickets. But and it's the same ones.
I don't understand. Let's see. You came here on the schedule for review. You came here last month. That's when you said you'll have it paid in a month. And I understand you got, I'm praying for your health is hopefully getting better. But I'll give you some more time, but I don't know. It's just no new tickets in here. We're just talking about getting the money paid, that's all. So you need 30 days. I'll give you 30 days.
Okay.
Review 9/26/2024 at 8:30. Best of luck to you on your health, man. We'll be praying for you to get better and pay it by 9/26, and we'll close one of them out and dismiss the other. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, let's go back on the record, Ms. Bradfield with Mr. Livingston.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is he still here?
Yes, he is. I'm trying to see where he's at though.
I think he might have come off.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Here he is.
Okay.
Ms. Bradfield,
Yes.
this is Prosecutor Bowman. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry to interrupt. The lead cases that we have trial on, we're dismissing those. Your client is in compliance.
Okay, you said Lee?
Yes, is it net for 9 o'clock?
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, whoa, I'm sorry. It's not Lee. It's Goodman.
Goodman.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're quite welcome. Thank you, Your Honor.
Are you welcome? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Livingston. Mr. Livingston, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would like to ask to set free trial so he can get his documents in order. He does have proof of registration and proof of insurance, though. He just need more time.
He had documents in order.
He need more time for the dog matters, Your Honor.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Livingston?
Yes, the rabies vaccination and the vaccination basically are expired. That's the only reason that is not intact. It's only annually for a year. I thought it was longer than that.
Let's give you until October 18th, okay?
Okay.
At 8:30. Have a very good day, Mr. Livingston. Best of luck to you, all right?
Mr.
And what about-
Livingston,
Yes.
the copies that you showed me for the registration and insurance, please make sure you bring those back as well, okay?
Okay. So that not gonna be taken care of until the next court date.
Your Honor, you mentioned something about him having to go to courtroom 220. Are we pulling those cases to be in this
We can
courtroom?
pull all of those cases. We can pull all of those cases.
Okay. So, sir, just bring the documentation back next court date, okay?
All right.
Have a good day, sir.
All right, you too. Thank you.
All right, let's move on to Daryl Lewis, Miss Bradfield. Mr. Lewis, is this Daryl Matthew Lewis Jr.?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Daryl Matthew Lewis Jr. Case number SP 9271991, SX 3304513, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1380375 184138080, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield.
You got it, Daphne?
Yes. Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Good morning, Mr. Faulkner.
Good morning, Daphne.
State your name for the record, sir.
Daryl Matthew Lewis Jr.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal readings as that all warrants be recalled.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf will give the $0 bond and recall the warrant. The offer as it stands now, Mr. Lewis, is going to be leading to the allowing. They want a 3-month delay on that. That's $240.
Good morning, everybody. Can anybody hear me? Just checking.
Yeah, we can hear you. That's a $240.
Can anyone
fine.
hear me? This is the city prosecutor.
Yes, we can hear you. That's a $240 fine. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points. I don't know why they're asking for a delay on the allowing and not on the improper plates, but the improper plates is another $240 fine. And will
Can
not
anybody hear me? Testing. We can hear. I don't think you can hear me.
Mr. Bowman, can you talk to your colleague, please?
Yeah.
We hear her, but she's not hearing us and she's interrupting. Where was I? I was going with the improper plate, $240 fine. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State, and it will not carry any points, and will dismiss upon payment. Then you have another matter, and failure to display, $240 for that, for the improper license. It will abstract, it won't carry any points, and it'll be a 240. So 240, 240, 240, 2 cases. One case will be dismissed upon payment. The other case will be dismissed on a 3-month delayed sentence, and the other case will remain on your record. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. Have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Mr. Lewis?
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Mr. Faulkner, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gambrell. Giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, you take the offer and plead guilty to the improper plates and failure to display.
So he doesn't want to get a license, huh?
No, I do want my license back.
So why don't you go get a license first?
Go get my license and then pay that.
And then come back and see what you have to do from that point. Maybe they might give you a little relief. You have, I told you pay that 288. You already have to pay that 288. I don't know what's blocking your license. It appears that this would be blocking your license for the 36th District Court. I can't tell you what else is on your driving record if you owe any other courts, but this 288 is what's preventing you from getting your license. I can give you a pretrial date of October the 18th at 8:30 a.m. You can pay that 288. You can wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State and see if you can get a valid license. You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So you got that. You have any questions?
No.
All right. Go pay the 288 as soon as possible. Wait 48 to 72 hours and then come on back and then go to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a valid license. If you can't get a valid license, ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout and be able to tell you every courthouse that you need to take care of before they'll issue you a license. Come back on October 18th, 2024 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Honorable Draper, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I'm well. How about yourself?
Great. I've got Judge, the last name is Likamanov. I think he's in the waiting room. He said he was checking in. There he is, Risto.
I don't see him.
He just popped on this second.
No. I let him in. I didn't see him on the docket. I do see him on the docket. Okay. I do see him on the docket. But I don't know if the officers appeared yet. Why don't you go I'll put you in the breakout room, Judge Draper, to speak with the city. Maybe you can work something out.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right. Likamanov, good morning to you, all right? Your attorney is in the breakout room. He's gonna try to speak with the city. Tracy Lee.
Good morning.
Morning. What's your middle name, ma'am? If you have one.
Nicole.
Yes, Nicole. Matters are set for trial today.
Your Honor, Mr. Bowman, I misspoke with Ms. Bradfield. Ms. Lee's cases, this is Tracy Lee.
Yes.
Tracy.
And they are dog animal related. She is in compliance. We're dismissing her tickets for today's trials.
City of Detroit versus Tracy Nicole Lee, case number B13321524, B13321624, B13321724. Appearance for the record, please.
Faulkner, representing defendant, or is she retained?
No, it's no retain, I don't believe. You can take this one.
Okay, I am representing defendant, Your Honor.
Everybody likes taking it everybody likes taking it all the defense lawyers love taking the dismissals, Ms. Lee. State your name for the record.
My name is Tracy Nicole Lee.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. According to the city, there's a recommendation to dismiss for compliance, right?
Yes.
That is correct, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
Sure. All right. Case is dismissed, ma'am. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Have an awesome week.
You too. Thank you. City of Detroit versus Virgil Gardner. Case number U 689-24624. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
No, Virgil, huh? You say Virgil Gardner?
Yes. Good morning to you, Mr. Gardner. State your name for the
Good morning.
record.
Virgil Gardner.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. This is a vendor's license ticket, Mr. Faulkner. Let's see what the offer is.
Your Honor, this is Victor Bowman, prosecutor. At this point, we have no offer.
I see that. No offer on this. Absolute right to a trial, Mr. Gardner. Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner, have a conversation with him, and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
I can plead. All right, I can plead guilty right now because I don't know what's going on. I didn't have no license, and he did not have his license, and I was just down there helping the man, you know. And he didn't tell me he didn't have no license.
Listen, Mr. Gardner.
Okay, sorry about that, Your Honor.
They always say, don't talk, you just might walk. Why don't you speak to Mr. Faulkner first, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room. Mr. Faulkner, he's in there.
Okay, what room is he in?
I have a copy of the ticket. He already indicated that he is not his business. Vending without a license, hats and stuff like that, and T-shirts, sunglasses, or the date of I don't know if that's 4/25. It may be that Detroit Lions stuff, but speak to them, and they don't give an offer. You may be able to talk to the city. If it's no offer, then it's just $240 fine, and that's it. I don't know what the no offers are about. All right.
What's his last name, Your Honor?
His name is Gardner.
Gardner?
Virgil Gardner. He's the first one on 835, a vendor license ticket.
Okay.
He's in the breakout room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Lewis. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel.
Okay.
Your Honor,
which client want to do?
Your Honor, I would like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial to give him an opportunity to get his license.
And this is Daryl Lewis.
Yes.
He does have his other documentation.
I can give him a pretrial date.
Thank you.
Pretrial, October 18, 2024 at 8:30, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
Somebody go in the breakout room and speak to Draper about his client. He's got a trial today for this a business license ticket, please. City. Next up is Philip Owens.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
In this line,
City of Detroit versus Philip Owens, case number SP 7866841, SP 8756181, U3 8507217, 14455715, counts 1 and counts 2, 14544961, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield
Philip
on
Owens.
behalf of Mr. Owens. State your name for the record, sir. Mr. Owens,
Yes.
state your name for the record, please.
Philip Owens.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute away formal readings. We'd like to ask that the warrants be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Will give him a $0 bond. I'll recall any and all warrants. Mr. Owens, your offer, as it stands right now, is for the driving while license suspended. They're willing to amend it to a failure to display, $240 fine. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State and dismiss all other matters. You have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Owens. Let me put you in a breakout room and speak to Ms. Bradfield. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir.
He's in the room, Ms. Bradfield.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I can't get Gardner out. He's on the phone.
Yeah, I can get him out. What's he gonna do?
He's gonna take a plea. He knows his rights and what's going on, and that's what he wants to do.
That's what he's gonna do then. All right, Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates to me that you want to plead guilty and, well, listen, you know, city, where's the city? They're in the breakout room. This is gonna be, they don't have an offer on here, so we're just gonna allow him to plead guilty and resolve it today. And without them having opining on what they want the sentence to be, it's gonna be my normal sentence for this type of offense. Let's, Mr. Owens, Mr. Gardner, you want to take the deal? It's going to be a $240 fine, and we'll dismiss upon payment.
Yeah, I'll take that, man, because I don't want to go to no trial or nothing. I'll just pay that money off.
You flush with cash, I know. You got the money, you're just gonna go ahead and pay it. You're not worried about the measly $240. Raise your right hand, please, Mr. Gardner.
It's raised.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Put your hand down.
All right.
Do you understand the
It's
maximum?
down.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
No, I didn't know that until you just got to mention it to me.
You understand it now?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
I didn't hear you, Your Honor. I didn't understand you.
Mr. Faulkner went over your other rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He went over my rights? No.
Yes.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
Well,
Okay.
Well, Mr. Faulkner, if he didn't know you went over his rights, whether you did or not, He's gotta know that. Go back
I'm
in the
this new to
breakout.
me, Your Honor.
I
This new
understand that.
territory to me. All right.
All right, we're getting through it. Let me ask you this. Do you ever recall Mr. Faulkner telling you that you had a right to a trial and you had a right to call witnesses and
Oh,
things
yeah.
like that?
Yeah, he did say that. He did say that.
And
Yeah.
did you understand all of those rights?
Yeah. The right to a trial or, yeah.
Do you have any questions about it?
Well, he just said I can pay $240 and I just say I'd go with that.
Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Gardner, and you have to understand your rights. Read him the rights from. You have to shoot Mr. Faulkner.
I do not, but I know him.
I know you know him. I know that. Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Gardner, and speak to Mr. Faulkner and go over his rights so he can understand what's going on, please.
Sure.
All right, let's pass the matter. He's in there. I can bring him out when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Judge Draper, do you have you resolved your matter, or are we waiting on a?
We were just going to wait on a no officer at this time, Your Honor. We are a 9 o'clock call and it's 9:14.
And it'll be
complied, though.
Call it at 9:30. We'll give him a half-hour grace period.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very much welcome. I can do this right now while we're waiting on attorney.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Counselor. Who's your client?
It's Trevina Goodman. We're right here outside your courtroom. We made a mistake by.
Okay. All right. Goodman. What was the disposition on Goodman? Did somebody make a? No, I was talking to the city. Was that? Somebody said Goodman was supposed to be dismissed, or do you know, Mr.? Do you know, Counselor?
Your Honor, Victor Bowman again, that was the one I misspoke on when I was actually referring to Lee was being dismissed. Presently, today is trial. We have no offer unless Goodman does have some documentation.
Why don't you let me put you in a breakout room with the attorney? And I don't know if the officer has even made it here yet. Is anybody here?
I am, Your Honor. I've been here since 8:30.
Oh, yes, Investigator Marshall, you have been here since 8:30. Very good. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, so you guys can talk. If you want the investigator in there with you, you're more than welcome. Go to breakout room 4, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On the Samsung, good morning to you. What's your name, sir, with the hat on?
Marquis Gross.
You can remove the hat. I see you started to. What's your name again, sir?
Marquis Gross.
Marquise. Gross, you said? Yes. Good morning to you. Good morning on the iPhone there, sir. What's your name, please? I know that face.
Stephen Green.
Stephen Green. Good morning to you, Mr. Green. Without seeing Stephen Green. Spelled the Green, is that with an E or no?
I couldn't hear you, sir.
Green is just Green.
Yes.
And spell Stephen.
Stephen.
Phen.
Yes.
What's your middle name, Mr. Green?
Carlisle, Carlye.
I need Gardner brought out.
Have you been testing? What's going on with this, Mr. Green?
I was told today was my sentencing day.
That's next month. No, that's just what
Okay.
that's next month, October 26th. Have you gone to your reported to your have you taken the pre-sentence investigation report and stuff?
I've already done that, sir.
All right, so come back on 9/26
Okay.
at 9 a.m. Have a good day.
Yes, sir. You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Mr. Gardner, do you understand what I'm saying now about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I may interrupt, he's going to wait. He's going to ask for a bench trial date.
Oh, see that further advice, you decided not to just cough up that $240, huh?
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, Your Honor.
And hold them to trying to force it out of.
Yeah.
I did explain the right to a jury trial for him, and he wishes to waive the right to a jury trial and have a bench trial.
All right, Mr. Gardner, come back on November 1st and bring that 240 on that date, just in case, okay?
Okay, all right. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck.
Okay, what time, Your Honor?
At 9 a.m.
At 9, November the 1st.
November the 1st.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah.
This
Yes,
is the
bye.
city of Detroit, Mr. Faulkner versus Ellery Fitzgerald Lee. Case number SP 1184732, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Ellery Fitzgerald Lee.
Morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Mr. Faulkner, go ahead.
Waive the reading and stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, as it stands right now, the offer is pleading to the no ops, a failure to display, $240 fine. It will abstract to the Secretary of State, however, won't carry any points, and they'll dismiss the misdemeanor, no insurance. Do you have a valid license, sir?
No, I do not.
All right, join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Faulkner. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. You have an absolute right to a trial as well, Mr. Lee. All right. All right, he's in there, Mr. Faulkner. He's on the phone. All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Bradfield, who did you have?
excuse me, I had Mr. Owens.
All right, where is Mr. Owens?
He's on a.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Is that Mr. Philip Owens? Yes, let's go back
Yeah.
on the record with Mr. Philip Owens. Giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial, and we would like to request court-appointed attorney on this matter. His information is in the chat box.
Okay. That's what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll do that. I'm marking the file, need appointed attorney, sir. I'm taking your information down for that appointed attorney. And what I need you to do is you need to answer any calls that you don't recognize, because hopefully one of those calls will be that appointed attorney, and check your email address too. I'm going to change the address on here as well.
I'm in court. I'm there.
Because you're no longer in Rutherford Township, correct?
Correct.
Pre-trial date is going to be October the 18th. That's just for us to know that that attorney has been appointed, and we'll set a trial date if you still need one thereafter, okay?
Okay, you said October 18th?
October 18th at 8:30. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counselor for Good.
Yes, Your Honor.
Goodman, have you worked it out?
We're going to be requesting a brief adjournment, Your Honor.
For the purposes of what?
We have the felony trial on this case, which is a harboring dangerous animal causing death. Last week, we were set to try this case for a jury trial with Judge Knapp. However, the co-defendant, Mr. Roy Goodman's lawyer, had a conflict with his schedule. So the purpose was that we were going to try the felony case before we come back on the misdemeanors.
Okay, counsel. Okay, I got you. City of Detroit versus Trevina Goodman, case number V131-96024, V131-96124, V131-96224, V131-96324, V131-96424, V122-82321. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, represent defendant.
No, Mr. Faulkner, that's a retained.
Oh, okay. Too quick on the draw here.
May it please this most honorable court. My name is Fahad Haq, P number 78252. I'm here at the 36th District Court with Ms. Trevina Goodman, who appears to my left.
Mr. Good morning to you. And your P number, did you put your P number on the record, please?
Yes, I did. 78252, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very well. And Ms. Goodman, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Judge is asking you to state your name for the record.
Trevina Goodman.
Very well. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Investigator Maxwell, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record and your picture appearance on the record, Investigator Maxwell?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm Investigator Maxwell with Detroit Animal Control badge number 23.
Very well. All right, City, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Okay.
We already got her name. City, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
For the people, Your Honor, Victor Bowman, P 33764.
Very good. All right, what is your response to Counselor wanting to adjourn the matter?
We have no objection, Your Honor.
Counselor, what does this trial date look like now?
The trial date is November 18th. Ms. Goodman will be taking her case to trial. We have a final status for Mr. Goodman on September 6th. There are no further adjournments, so we are ready to go on November 18th for Ms. Goodman regardless.
All right, come back for a pretrial on November the 26th, 2024. Why don't we make that a trial? So that Investigator Maxwell is able to be here and he can talk with the city on any, if hopefully there's some sort of resolution. But November 26, 2024, trial date. If it's nothing further, everybody have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Be safe out there, Mr. Investigator Maxwell.
Thank you, Your Honor. You all have a great one.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
All right, thank you. Okay, let's go with Ms. Bradfield. Let's go with the city of Detroit versus Eric Dimitri Long. Case numbers SP 1141863, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11418701. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Long. State your name for the record, please.
Eric Dimitri Long.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute, wait for more readings. We ask that all warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
So whether you're not guilty plea on your client's behalf, will give your client a $0 bond. The offer as it stands right now is failure to display, $240 fine. It will abstract to the Secretary of State, however, it won't carry an improper place. That's pleading as charged is $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. That will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points. You have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Long. Do you have valid license?
No, sir, not right now.
All right, join the breakout room, speak with Ms. Bradfield. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Thanks. He's in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is not guilty plea requesting a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, come back on November the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir.
Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too, sir. Thank you very much.
You're very much welcome.
November the 10th.
This is that Rashard?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you're good to go.
I can hang up then. Okay. Thank you.
Is that Rashard Lee? G?
Yes, it is.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Rashard G. Case number SP 1376939, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 142-48831. SP 1470538. SP 1606566, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant. Your name, sir?
Rashard G.
Mr. G, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All All right, today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, my client stands mute, waits formal reading.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. He's got some other new cases. We're gonna treat it like a one-stop shop, Mr. G. And we're gonna consolidate the new cases that you have so you don't have all these different court dates, all right?
I appreciate it.
No problem. Now, you owe a $288 no insurance proof. That, I don't know what your driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions, but that $288, you can pay that and potentially set yourself up to bring in a valid driver's license next time. You want me to give you some time to do that?
Yes, sir.
And just so you don't say that when you come back that the judge said all he said I owe was $288. You also owe $204 toward an old speeding charge. That you're going to have to settle up with the court, but that does not appear to be affecting your driver's license. So I'm going to give you a pretrial date of October 18th, 2024 at 8:30 on all the matters. You can disregard any other court date and come in, pay that $288 toward that no insurance proof. And if you have it, you can pay that $204. You can close both of those out. And then come back, wait 48 to 72 hours, approach the Secretary of State, see if they'll give you a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, you can ask for a printout. And with that printout, you can go, they'll tell you every courthouse that's affecting your license, all right?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, Mr. G, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You said October 18th at what time?
At 8:30 a.m.
At 8:30, okay. Thank you.
Have a good day. This is the City of Detroit versus Aristo. Give me the correct pronunciation, counsel. I'm sorry.
I think it's Likamanov, but my client could help. Sir, state your name for the record. Oh, sorry, Judge.
That's correct.
This is the City of Detroit versus Aristo Likamanov. Case number U69603324. Mr. Likamanov, Mr. Draper, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. David Draper on behalf of the defendant, my P number 43750. State your name, sir.
Christo Likamanov.
Good morning to you, sir. And for the city, is there Officer J. Smith and Officer J. Smith? All right. Hearing no response and not seeing that officer in the breakout room, today is the date and time set for a trial. Judge Draper, go ahead.
Your Honor, the defense would like to make a motion to dismiss without prejudice at this time. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss. No officer, Mr. Likamanov. There's nothing further. Where is Lenny's Bar?
Your Honor, it used to be the Post East on Mac Ave.
That's why. Yes. Gotcha.
I'm relatively new, but Judge, for your knowledge, they did obtain their business license shortly thereafter. And
very well. So now I can be a patron of their
right
legal establishment. All right.
Correct. Thank you, Judge. Great to see you this morning.
All right. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you all. Good luck on the Lenny's Bar.
Thank you kindly.
You're welcome. All right. That gets me down to Garner, Nicole Garner. Give me the correct pronunciation, man. I'm sorry.
Nicole Garner.
Nicole Garner. Good morning to you. Oh, maybe it may not be that good of a morning. City of Detroit versus Nicole Garner, case number SD125-88461. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Let's also call 18330155 into the record as well. Why didn't that come up when I? It did. Mr. Garner, Ms. Garner, can you state your name for the record, please?
Nicole Garner.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Want to go ahead, counsel?
Waive the reading and stand mute.
Aaron, not guilty, plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Garner, you too owe $288 on a no insurance proof. You could potentially set yourself up to bring in a valid license if you want to. And you too, I want you to, you do pay that $288. I don't want you to come back and say, that's all the judge said I had to pay, because you owe another $144 and another $150 on some old tickets as well. But the $288 is the one that's preventing you from getting a clearance down here at the 36th District Court. I can give you time to pay that, or you can take the deal today, ma'am, which is failure to display, $240 fine. It does abstract to the Secretary of State, or it won't carry, but it won't carry any points. And you do too have an absolute right to a trial. What would you like to do, Ms. Garner?
I want to get my license.
The license, give you a pretrial date, October 18th, 2024 at 8:30. You come down to the court or pay it at the DivDag kiosk for $288. And you can pay the other stuff if you have it as well, but pay the $288, wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State for a valid license. If they don't give you one, you can ask them for a printout, and they can give you a printout on every courthouse that's affecting your license, Ms. Garner. So if you don't have any further questions, best of luck to you. Have a very good day, all right?
And the date again?
October 18th, 2020 at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Long, Eric Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Long would like to ask that this matter be set for pretrial to give him an opportunity to bring his license in.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Long?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't appear that you have anything here that's affecting your license, so best of luck to you on that license. Come back on October 18th at 8:30.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
Okay, you too.
Marquita Lewis Jones.
This is she. Hello.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
How are you?
Lewis Jones, okay. Is it Martika?
Martika Lewis Jones, yes.
I'm sorry about the mispronunciation. This is the City of Detroit versus Martika Lewis Jones, case number SB 1576177, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Miss, is it Jones?
Yes, Lewis Jones.
Lewis Jones.
Ms. Lewis Jones, state your name for the record, please.
Martika Lewis Jones. Martika Monique Lewis Jones.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor, for arraignment purposes.
For purpose of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
So enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. And the offer as it stands right now is for Ms. Jones to, Lewis Jones to plead to 1 count of improper plea, $240 fine. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State there, or it won't carry any points, and we'll dismiss upon payment. Ms. Lewis Jones, I'm going to put you in a breakout room and speak to Ms. Bradfield. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, because you do have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Join the room, please. past the matter. Let's move down to Miss Green. Is that Senria Green?
Syncria Green.
Syncria Green. I'm sorry, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Syncria Green, case number SB 1567035, counts 1 and counts 2, and SB 156722211. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant.
Ms. Green, can you state your name for the record, please?
Syncria Green.
And Officer Hayes, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Hayes, for Police Department, batch number 415.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Green, as it stands right now, the offer is pleading to 3-month delayed on the, what is that, smoking marijuana in the motor vehicle? And a 1 to 5 on the unsafe manner, reducing it from a 2-point offense to a 1-point offense. And $125 for the one and $240 for the smoking marijuana in the motor vehicle, plus it'll be a 3-month delay. So meaning that the case will be dismissed if you don't get any other trouble like this. Ms. Green, you have an absolute right to a trial, and I'm going to put you in a breakout room with a very good lawyer, Mr. Faulkner. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, it was delayed sentence on the one, and what was the other?
And a 1 to 5 amended from the unsafe manner to a 1 to 5, and then dismissing the final third term.
Okay.
125 and 240.
Okay.
All right. We're waiting on an attorney to come out. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis Jones. Ms. Lewis Jones, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lewis Jones has provided valid documentation of insurance and registration that both will expire later on this year.
Mr. Bowman, what do you want to do with your client? What do you want to do with these two?
Your Honor, I requested some additional time be allowed that this person can produce that documentation, and when produced, then we'll have a recommendation for dismissal.
She produced it today.
If that is the assurance of an officer of the court, then I will accept that.
Case dismissed. Provided valid documentation, ma'am. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Wait, me or both? Oh, man.
Lewis Jones. Have a good day, Miss Lewis Jones.
Thank you. You have a good day too. Bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. This is the City of Detroit versus Montez Laurie. Miss Bradfield, case number V125-36124, V125-36224. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Laurie. State your name for the record, please.
How you doing? This is Montez Laurie.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Laurie. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Miss Bradfield, go ahead.
For purpose of arraignment, he stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on this client, give your client a $0 bond. There is some sort of failure to inspect and failure to timely matter for securing a permit for required repairs. Some sort of violation for probably some sort of structure or something like that. Let's see if there's a recommendation in the file. Mr. Laurie, no offer at this time. So either set a trial date or plead guilty as charged. $240 would be the fine. Absolute right to a trial. Let me put you in a breakout room with Miss Bradfield. Have a conversation with her. All right.
Okay.
And Your Honor,
I can send you a copy of the tickets, Miss Bradfield, but they're just a property on Farmbrook is some sort of correcting the violations in a timely manner and the failure to call for an inspection upon compliance. That's the notes. You want us to send it to you or what?
no, I'm gonna go talk to him first. I might be okay.
Yeah.
I'll let you know if I need it.
Very well. Let's pass the matter. He's in there.
Okay, thank you. I was chatting with Mr. Donovan Green.
Good. All right.
Miss Green, I got her out of the breakout room, and now I don't know where she is.
Here she's in there. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
She wishes to take advantage of the offer, be responsible to 1 to 5 over, and the late sentence on the smoking the marijuana.
Want to do that, Ms. Green?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
I do.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, I pretty much understand them.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 28th, 2024, at around 11:15 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Evergreen in Chicago, ma'am. Did you have contact with the city of Detroit police department on that date and time?
Yes, I did.
Was it heavy smoke emanating from that vehicle, from a marijuana joint, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. You satisfied, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you speeding on that day, ma'am?
A little. I was.
Was it because you were high, or you just
No, I was trying to get home. I had to use the bathroom.
all right.
I stayed right up the street.
And had the munchies too, huh?
No, don't give me the munchies.
All right. I'm gonna find you guilty as charged to the smoking marijuana in a motor vehicle, 3-month delayed sentence, $240 fine. Then we'll dismiss after 3 months if you don't get any trouble. And then I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, $125. You will have 1 point on your license, unfortunately, man. I'm gonna dismiss the other matter with stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulate.
And I'm gonna give you until November the 26th, 2024 to pay that. You come on back and just no more smoking in the vehicle now.
Okay.
All right, November 26th. Make sure it's paid. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, Ms. Green. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, on November the 26th, is that a court date or I just gotta have it paid by then?
Well, if you have it paid by, it is a court date, but if it's paid by then, I'll see if you'll dismiss it. But if it's not paid, then I need to see you. So you take it, you do what you want with it.
Okay, so what time would it be if I didn't pay? Like what time should I come?
8:25, I'm sorry.
Okay, 8:25, but I pay it by then.
All right, have a great day, man. Best of luck to you.
You as well, thank you.
Oh, yes. Mr. Lockett, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Mr. O'Shawn. Is this O'Shawn Lockett? Oseen Lockett. Case number SP 1415051, SP 5044441, and 1738875563. Mr. Lockett, state your name for the record, please.
Oseen Sean Lockett.
All right. Today is the date and time set for review. You didn't pay? Or did you just pay this just now?
I had community service.
Did you do it?
I got 6 hours left.
6 hours out of 72?
78.
78?
Yeah.
Ms. Mathis, I asked you to convene. Where's the proof? You got it to Ms. Green? Did you turn it in to Ms. Green?
I didn't see Miss Green Saturday. But I don't know if she faxed it in or not.
We'll see. We'll see. Congratulations on that. Where did you do the community service?
At the church.
All those hours at the church?
Yeah. I helped him put it back together.
That's good. And there's some praying in there as well and everything.
Yes, sir.
He's silly. Good morning to you, Mr. McQueen. All right, great.
Rick Grant. I'm sorry.
All right, let's verify that. If you did all those hours, I'm gonna close it out. You can do the 6 on your own, all right?
Thank you, sir.
All right, now let's pass the matter, all right? Mr. McQueen up there.
Last name Grant, though.
Grant.
Yes.
That's what I was wondering. You finally got somebody to help you on that. Is that Ricky Grant?
Yes, sir.
It would have been done a long time ago.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Internet savvy.
Yeah, but yeah, I do understand, sir.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ricky Grant, case number B13308224. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
This is a heavy one, Mr. Faulkner.
Yeah, I see.
Mr. Grant, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial for Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, your offer as it stands right now is pleading to illegal dumping, 6-month delay as charged. I'm gonna fine you $500 for that illegal dumping, because if the allegation is true, nobody wants, including Mr. Grant, nobody wants their garbage in their neighborhood or anywhere around them. They want you to dispose of your stuff properly, and we're gonna try to make sure that if the allegation is true, it doesn't happen again with that $500 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial though, Mr. Grant, so you can contest the matter. It may not be true. I will give you that opportunity to do so if you need to. I'm gonna let you speak to a very good lawyer, Mr. Grant, and Mr. Faulkner. Speak to him, let us know what you want to do when you come out, and you might need help to get into that breakout room.
May I say something, sir?
Well, why don't you say it to Mr. Faulkner? You couldn't hear me earlier today. You know, sometimes, Mr. Grant, you don't talk, you just might walk, all right?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Faulkner, let me see the ticket here. If there's any information that you may need to know, defendant can be seen on camera dumping a boat and trailer on 5/18/2024 at approximately 11:29 a.m. The defendant made a voluntary admission to dumping. So that whole don't talk, you just might walk, Mr. Faulkner, it might be gone out the window. I don't know if what you could do about it, but if anybody can help you, Mr. Faulkner may be able to.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Join the room, please. All right.
Judge, I spoke to Ms. Green. She said she has confirmation of 56 hours. She's gonna contact the church by email.
Where did you put him, Your Honor?
He's in 3.
They only operate on Wednesday.
That's McQueen in there. Is that who we have? Thought this was Grant.
But it's McQueen, it's really Grant, Ricky Grant, the illegal dumping, but it's on McQueen.
Oh,
I didn't
okay.
change his name, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
All right, we're waiting on a lawyer now. Are you at work, Mr. Gross?
Yes, sir.
We'll get you out of here.
Thank you.
Now everybody's gonna be at work. Let's see. You have a license?
Oh, I got 2 more weeks left.
And he's sitting in the driver's seat.
Oh, I can't drive. That's why I'm just sitting right here.
I didn't say anything about whether you could drive or not. I just said you sit in the driver's seat. You see that defense comes right out, doesn't it?
This the best quiet place. At first, I was in the upstairs, so I had to come down because everybody kept coming up there. So
wouldn't it if you didn't have if you didn't have a driver's license, wouldn't the best quiet place it be in the passenger seat or the back seat or something?
They got all their stuff right here, all their computers and stuff.
Okay. He got an excuse for everything.
Oh, I ain't. It's the truth.
Yeah, I know. You coming back in a couple of weeks with a valid license, you're saying?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Marquise Gross, case number SP 159-71161, appearance, I don't think we have a lawyer yet. State your name for the record, Mr. Gross.
Marquise Gross.
Ms. Bradfield is here. Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gross.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Gross says he says a couple of things. He's only sitting in the driver's seat because he is the best place for him to find to sit. And he doesn't have his stuff all over the car in the rest of the seats. He also indicated to the court that he is gonna have his driver's license in 2 weeks. And we're gonna give him a trial date on November the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, Your Honor. Mr. Gross, make sure you have your license then, okay?
I will, ma'am. That was November 1st.
November the 1st at 9 a.m. Have a very good day, Mr. Gross. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Montez Lowry. Let's go back on the record with Montez Lowry. Mr. Lowry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would like to ask for this matter to be set for pretrial. We would like to request an attorney on his behalf. His information is in the chat box.
Very well. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lowry?
Yes.
We're going to set a pretrial for October the 18th, 2024 at 8:30. We're also going to take your information down about appointed attorney. What I need for you to do is I need for you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, and check the email address as well. We'll know by the time you come back on October 18th at 8:30, whether you have that attorney or not. If you don't, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. All right, Mr. Lowry?
Sounds good.
Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right.
Thanks, Mr. Bradford. Bye.
You're welcome.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tina Louise Latham. Case numbers SP 1568922, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Miss Latham.
Yes.
State your name for the record, please.
Tina Louise Latham.
Louise Latham, I'm sorry. And then let's also go SP 1568921, counts 1, 2, and 3 into the record. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Latham, there's Officer Spence is here. Officer Spence, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Unmute yourself, please.
Officer Spence, badge number 3383.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. The offer that's in the file right now, Ms. Latham, is 2. That the city is giving you to resolve it outside of trial. No offer there on the improper place, $240 fine on dismissal upon payment. Doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore doesn't carry any points. And the failure to use a turn signal, a 1 to 5, that is a limited access, that is an abstractable offense. However, it won't carry any points. And it's $125 with the rest of the matters dismissed. You have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Latham, and the day is the date and time set for that. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and speak to Mrs. Bradfield. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Pass the matter. Lund.
Need someone to bring Ricky Green out, or Grant, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ricky Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Wishes to plead guilty, take advantage of the offer, or delayed sentence.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Faulkner went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did you know that?
Yes, yes, I do.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
And do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do. Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, no, sir.
Who is your tech person next to you?
Ah, my fiance.
Fiance, hey, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
You're about to. I know you wouldn't do anything like this, but you're about to learn a lesson in what not to do when you don't want your old boat, huh?
Yes, sir.
So I always say they always say I've never owned a boat. I've never had the privilege of owning a boat, but they always say a boat stands for break out another 1,000. This one here is half that 500.
I do understand, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to is that May the 1st? It says the undersigned says that on or about May the 1st, and on other days between that date and May the 21st. At 5:17 a.m. He woke up bright and early in the morning. So what it's telling me is that you sat back and you thought about this, right?
Yes, sir.
You gave it some deliberation. You sat back and planned this.
To get rid of the boat, yes, because I kept getting tickets. Yes, sir.
And in between that date and time, in the area of Eaton and Westbrook, you owned a boat with a trailer. Is that correct?
Yes. I didn't own it, but yes, I did have a boat and a trailer, and I did dump it there. Yes, I did.
How did you not own it?
It wasn't mine. It was a friend of mine's, and he left it on my property, and he never came and got it. So,
why'd you take it to his house?
Well, I didn't think that way, and I just wanted to get rid of the boat. And the officers kept coming by and giving me tickets and telling me, and I told them, hey, it's not mine. She said, well, you have to do something with the boat, or you're going to get the tickets. It was two ladies officers in a little small car with a green emblem on the side. And we talked for maybe about 20 minutes. And I told them I would try to do something with the boat, and I couldn't. And somebody else came and put another orange sticker on the boat. And so I just decided I'm just going to get rid of the boat. I'm just going to dump it. I'm very sorry I did. But I did do it, and I did call the officer and told him that it was me. and that I did do it, and I apologize. So
I understand that. So I see the remorse, and I think it's genuine. But how long did it take you to plot this out and to think about this? You knew you wanted to get rid of the vote.
Yes,
How long did it take you to say, I'm going to get up bright and early in the morning, and I'm going to drive this boat over here to Eaton and Westbrook? How long did it take you to think of that?
About 5 months.
5 months you sat there and pondered what you were going to do with this boat, and it came up 5 months later that you're going to take this boat at bright and early in the morning and dump this boat somewhere?
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, yes, sir. Yeah, because I was pondering, what can I do with the boat, and everything.
And you've been a resident of the city of Detroit for how long?
69 years.
For all your life?
Yes, sir. And first time.
You've seen people throw stuff in your neighborhood. You've seen people. You've seen it all, almost all of it, right?
Yeah, they do it on my block every day. And every day. I'm the only house on my block, and I got trash all down my block. I call my city council. Miss Williams is the director for like the District 1. I called her and asked her, could she get somebody over here to pick up all this trash? They didn't. I try to clean up, but I was wrong for this. I just can't say anything, I was wrong for dumping it, but I did ponder for a while about it. And because I didn't want to dump it, and I was trying to think of anything else that I can do with the boat, but nothing came up, so I did that.
And then, wait a minute. So this is one of those situations where, you know what I say, and this is just me, and I'm not going to spend too much more time. I'm not trying to, but I look at this country, right, and practically people in general, and it seems like everybody wants everything to revolve around them.
Yes, sir.
So in this situation, Mr. Grant, you have been a victim of throwing trash in your neighborhood. I can imagine being that only house on the block, and they just do it all day, all night. And you know how it feels.
Yes,
but when it comes down to the shoe being on the other foot, you have no issue with going and putting your trash in somebody else's neighborhood. As a matter of fact, you even know your city council, it sounds like your neighborhood police officers, all of these people. You're active civically in the community, but yet you do this. I just don't get it. But all right, that's enough of that. I do see that you're remorseful about it, and it's not going to change my mind on the sentence. $500 fine as charged. I'm not giving you 6 months to pay it either. I'm giving you 30 days. And I'm going to give a 6-month delay. I'm gonna accept the recommendation by the city. Review will be in 30 days on 9/26/2024. And that will be it. You come back then. Hopefully it's paid by then. That's when I'm ordering you to pay it. $500 fine, paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I hope the people that are in here listening can, start having some thought about the next human being next to you. Especially what you go through as far as having that stuff all in your neighborhood and seeing those people do that. You don't want, don't be that guy anymore. Hopefully not.
No, because the last time we talked about my 1980 Eldorado Cadillac, if you remember.
1980 Eldorado Cadillac, I do remember. And that was one with that was a store plate issue?
Yes, yes.
Yep, yep. And you still have that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're not gonna go dump that anywhere, are you?
No, sir. No, no, sir.
That's not gonna get dumped anywhere.
Exactly.
Right.
No, sir. Nowhere.
You can dump that. You can dump that in front of my house when you're ready.
I will do that. Hey,
Mr. Faulkner says he'll take it too.
Right.
I'll come and get it.
It's canary yellow.
All right.
All right.
If there's nothing further, congratulations on your beautiful bride to be. You know, I know she wouldn't do anything like that. So you might want to listen to her when you have an issue about, especially those friends. She's gonna tell you something about those friends too.
Yeah, you're absolutely correct. Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day.
You have a better one. Hey,
See you guys next month.
Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Miller, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
I'm very well, very well. Who's your client?
We have Mr. Green for sentencing. Has he come in yet?
No, he's not sentenced till it says in here. I sent him away 9/26. I have in there.
9/26. I wrote the date down wrong. That's on me, Judge. 9/26. I told him wrong, so that is totally on me.
If you're ready and you want to get it back in here, we can get it. You know how to get it pushed up.
I do. That is totally on me, Judge. I apologize. I wrote it down wrong after I spoke to Madam Clerk. So I will see you tomorrow. Actually, I have another case with you tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, very well. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
This is the City of Detroit versus Curtis Lee Greer. Case numbers SP 149-15572, SP 156-78703, SP 158-33091. And let's see if we have any more. And SP 156-7870 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant, Your Honor.
Mr. Greer.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Curtis Greer.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. That one SP 158-33091 is not on the docket. That must have been something either we overlooked at the time of setting these trial dates, or Mr. Greer got that ticket after we set these trial dates. Appearance for the record on Officer Evans. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Hey, Officer Evans, can you put your name, badge number, department on the record, please? We'll get there. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Good morning, Officer. Can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Evans, the Detroit Police Department, badge number 2602.
We can't see you.
I'm sorry. Hold on 1 second. Can you see me?
Yeah, we can see you now. All right, very well. Why didn't you want to show that big, pretty smile? So today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's get Mr. Greer his offer right now. And so on the reckless driving, they're willing to amend that to drag racing, Mr. Greer, and it's a 4-point offense. It does abstract, obviously, and it carries those 4 points, $240 fine. 1 to 5 on a limited access on the failure to use turn signal, and that's $125 fine. I don't know if the city's willing to give you a offer and include this expired driver's license into the offer or not. City?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry, the additional charge is what?
Driver's license expired. It's a newer case. I don't know why it wasn't. Let me see why.
We can do failure to display.
So either you can, that's a show cause. So let's see why this wasn't. You got that 6/13, the allegation was made 6/13/2024, and these matters were set for trial. On 5/17, so that's why it's not on there. So now they want to say 240 for the failure to display. So you'll have 2 abstractable offenses, and you have an absolute right to a trial. So here's the deal. Is Officer Stewart here?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning to you. So can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Stewart?
Officer Demetrius Stewart, badge number 4656, Detroit Police Department, A Precinct.
Both officers have showed. You know the offer. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner, and if you need to, Mr. Faulkner, I'll let you speak with the city. Join the breakout room. Absolute right to a trial, which today is the date and time set. All right.
Okay, we got the RD to drag racing and 1 to 5 limited and FTD.
Yes.
FTD, so both 240. The FTD is that driving license expired is not on the docket. So, you know, I would give him an opportunity to bring in a valid license if he could on that one, because that wasn't on the docket. And then a 1 to 5 limited access, $125 for the failure to use a turn signal. All right.
Okay.
Other cases dismissed. So the one that's not on the docket, license expired, you can, you know, he's already paying $240 and $125 if he takes the deal. You can see if he can come into compliance. I'll get that.
Okay, the failure to use. So the 1 to 5 limited access, is that?
For the amended count of failure to use turn signal.
Oh, okay. Okay, now I got it. Okay.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Bradfield, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor. I just need a
Ms.
updated,
Latham,
just need
offer?
a revised offer.
All right. Well, you want to speak to the city about it?
Yes, I can do that. I did put a message in the chat box, but I can speak to him personally.
Very good. Donovan Green will be up next.
I could start him, Your Honor.
You can.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Donovan Green, case number SP 1596764, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Green. State your name for the record, sir.
Donovan Green.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer, as it stands right now, Mr. Green, is going to be pleading to disorderly conduct as charged, 2 counts of disorderly conduct. That's a heck of an offer there. $240 fine. I guess one, I'll dismiss upon payment. And two, it's a delayed 3 months. Absolute right to a trial. So 2 counts of disorderly conduct from the same disorderly conduct offense. All right. I'll put you in a breakout room. The ticket indicates on the allegation that was made on that day, it states that Mr. Green created improper diversion when becoming irate and yelling when asked to leave the area and did not comply. Of course, downtown. All right. So let me put you in a breakout room with Ms. Falk, with Ms. Bradfield. Put you in breakout room 5. Have a conversation with her. You have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Thank you. And Mr. Bowman, I did leave a message in the chat box. Do you want to speak personally?
Go to room 4, please. Gross. Good morning to you, ma'am. All right, and then who is on that SPRDR DFU's iPhone? Asking you to unmute yourself, please.
Me?
I sent the note. I sent the response. They saw it. Yeah. Good morning to you,
Mr. Owens. Tony Owens.
Mr. Owens. Is this Philip Owens?
Tony Owens.
Tony Owens. Tony Owens. Good morning to you, Mr. Owens.
Good morning, Judge.
All right. I remember that sign off. Mr. Faulkner, are we ready on Greer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We should take advantage of the offer, Your Honor. We plead guilty to reduced charge for drag racing and the 1 to 5 limited access for the turn signal. The rest to be dismissed. And he's asked for a court date for the failure to display or the no license.
No, I got my license.
You got a valid license?
Yeah.
Can we check that on the SOS?
On his license, please. You want to take the deal, little sir, on the cases that you have up today?
Say that again.
Turn your camera on, please. Let me see. You want to take the deal on the cases we have up today?
Yeah.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Greer, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Now you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
As Mr. Parker went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know that by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, here's the deal, Mr. Faulkner. Well, let's see. Mr. Faulkner, I at this time, reading the notes, I don't know if there is enough to make a accurate basis to reckless driving. So I have on a note down here, well, this is actually the other occasion. I don't have anything as far as notes are concerned to suggest that Mr. Greer was recklessly driving. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room and have a conversation with him, and you let me know if you feel that what he's gonna say to me will amount to that, so that we can make a so that it will substantiate a reckless driving or drag racing amended count. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Greer, you got to go back in the breakout room. Mr. Faulkner is going to go over some things with you, and he does have a valid driver's license.
Very good.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. Rejoin the room. I'm sorry. He's in there.
Okay.
Is there an officer here for Owens? I see McCree. Why that no ops was put up for trial, I don't know, because that's an old case. Let's see here. Case goes back to 2015. You pled on that back in 2015. In 2018, you pled on that. So we're not even going to discuss that.
Okay.
What about, Officer McCree, I'll mark the file that you were here at least. You were here, so. But we're not going to.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You be safe.
Okay, sir.
City of Detroit versus Tony Owens, case numbers. SP, strike that. Yeah, SP 1481871. And U6770563. Mr. Owens, state your name for the record, please.
Tony Owens.
All right. Is there a Officer Valerie here? Is there a Officer Hope Bay? Hearing no response. SP 1481871 on the court's own motion is going to be dismissed, and U6770563 on the court's own motion is going to be dismissed, both for no officer. The other case is Mr. Owens, you owe $276 for an old expired plate in 2016, and you owe $432 for an old no ops. Those are going to be on you. All right.
Okay. Can I get a time to pay?
Well, there you can come in and make a payment plan. You want me to put in there that you're? Well, I'll give you 30 days on SP 1414. Strike the SP 1471491 and 162923 Mr. Faulkner, put your appearance right quick on the record for Mr. Owens.
Paul Faulkner, firm half, Mr. Owens, Your Honor.
So I dismissed SP 148-18731 and U67705-623 for no officer. He wants time to pay on these other two tickets. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pay by 9/26/2024 or enter into payment plan. I'm gonna allow payment plan. So do one or the other. Either pay it off, any DivDag kiosk in the city of Detroit. If you can't pay it off, then enter into a payment plan. You come back on I'll give you a review date. I don't even give you a review date. Just take care of it, because there's nothing, it'll just close out. But if you do it by then the tickets will not, they won't come after you. If you make sure you either pay it or get into that payment plan and keep up with it, they won't come after you civilly for those tickets, all right?
All right, Judge, I just was asking for a little extra time because I just had eye surgery, so I can't work for the next 3 weeks. So that's why I was asking you, like, for a little extra time.
I got you. All right, so let's do this. Let's give you 90 days to either pay it or get in that payment plan, all right?
Okay, I'll pay it off by then. And how much is the
All
total?
right, how's your eye doing?
It's doing fine.
All right, good. All right, best of luck to you and continued recovery on the eye, all right? And
how much is the total? How much is the total I owe?
The total will be 432 plus 276.
Okay.
432 plus 276, the 204 has gone away.
Okay.
So let's do this. That's 912. Don't quote me on it, but minus 204, 708. All right. And then I'll give you till 11/26 to either pay it off or get it to a payment plan. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day and best of luck to you.
You too.
All right. Let me take 1 second. 1 second, please.
Attorney Bowman, this is Attorney Prosecutor Diachiku Mesa. How's it going? I can't hear you. On mute. You're on mutey.
You're talking to me?
How's it going?
I was just typing you
Hello?
a message to say I'm good. But
I can't even hear you.
Hello?
really,
Hello?
You can hear me?
I can hear you.
Huh. I must have whatever. Okay. So good. You're doing good. Okay, cool.
But yeah, I'll send you a
Bye.
message.
about the,
Ms. Green.
Ms. Green?
She said.
All right, who are we ready on? Who are we ready on?
Hey, I saw just email.
Curtis Greer, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer.
Your Honor, if I may, he has hired Wright Blake as his attorney, and he was supposed to be here this morning.
Oh, has he? All right, let's get Mr. Blake on the phone. Let's get Mr. Blake on the phone, right, Blake, please. Let me see.
Ms. Green said that she didn't get a response because they're not open, the church. And so she said maybe he might be adjourned for 2 weeks so she can get confirmation. And she can be, she'll be able to see the documents.
I'm texting.
Oh, you texting? Oh, okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Perkins.
Yes.
I just got off the phone with Blake. He's about to join the Zoom.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's pass that matter. All right, Mr. Lockett. Can you come back in a couple weeks? You don't have to come back, really. You can call in or something, or if it's verified through Ms. Green, you can make sure you don't have to come back at all. But she needs to. The place is not going to be open until this week, so I was going to reset it for 2 weeks, and then we'll close it out once we get verification on all the hours.
That's fine. All
right. I appreciate you coming down. We'll set another review for September the 9th, 8:25. And again, you can just confirm with Ms. Green that she has it. You can either call down here and let us know that we have it. That means make sure we have it. We'll close it out. Or you can come on back down if you want.
Okay, that's fine because the food pantry opens up September the 7th. So I can do my little 6 hours.
That's what's up. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. All right.
Okay, y'all have a good day.
You have a better one, Mr. Lockett. Take it easy. All right. We're ready on. So let's go let's pass that matter. And what we'll do is we'll call Gross, Patricia Ann Gross. This is the city of Detroit versus Patricia Ann Gross. Case numbers SP. Oh, we already did Tony Owens. I don't see Gross. This case number is SP 158-10781, SP 158-3163, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Patricia Gross.
Paul Faulkner representing Ms. Gross, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a free trial. Good morning to you, Ms. Gross. The offer, as it stands right now, is pleading to a 125 for driving to avoid signal. That's a 1-point offense, $125, and they'll dismiss the other matters. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner, and you can let us know what you want to do.
What does that, like, you mean driving to avoid signal? What is that?
So you know how they, some people that red light is there, but that gas station is sitting there, and they instead of waiting on that red light to turn green to turn right, they drive up through that gas station and go and go and avoid that light. So I don't know.
Oh no, I didn't.
Don't say anything, ma'am. You were here all morning. Speak to Mr. Faulkner. Let's see. It says drove through private property or alley to avoid a signal. So it wasn't the gas station. That was just my explanation on what that could be. They say you drove through private property or an alley to avoid a signal. That's what they say. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner, have a conversation with him. It's a civil infraction. One point they amended it to a 1 to 5, $125, and we'll close the other stuff out. Join the room, please. Good morning, Mr. Blake.
Good morning, Judge.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Curtis Greer. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Sure. Good morning, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Curtis Greer.
All right, Mr. Greer was, today is the date and time set for a trial. We have two officers here, that made the allegations. The offer was pleading to, for the reckless driving, amended count of drag racing, and for the failure to use a turn signal, they were offering a limited access 1 to 5, I believe. Let me make sure of that. Limited access 1 to 5. The drag racing, a 4-point offense, $240 fine, and then the failure to use a turn signal amended to a limited access 1 to 5 is $125 offense. That abstract doesn't carry any points. He also had a newer driving while license expired case that wasn't on the docket, but he did provide proof of valid driver's license, so we'll dismiss that case at the time. Well, I was discussing with Mr. Faulkner, who did not know that Mr. Greer was retained until after he spoke to him, that he was willing to take a deal to the drag racing offense. But before I put anything on the record and to warn him about it, I told the council, that's what I'm telling you now, that I have the ticket here. The ticket does not give anything to suggest, other than just reckless driving, what Mr. Greer was supposed to have done. So I wanted, before he took a plea, to make sure that he would be able to plead, to make the case that I would accept to a reckless driving or drag racing. So I'm telling you that now. I'm going to put you in a breakout room so you can have a conversation with them, or I can let you speak to the city. What would you like to do?
Let me speak to the client, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Very, very well. Pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gross. Ms. Gross, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
She wants to waive her right to a jury trial and have a bench trial set up.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Gross?
Yes.
All right, come back on November the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes.
Have a very good day, man. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That gets me down to, this is the city of Detroit versus Jacquees Elmon Glover Jr. Case number SP 144000421. SP 1587786, strike that, SP 1587786, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Mr. Glover, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Jacques Glover.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. The offer that the city is availing to you to resolve this is pleading to a 1 count of failure to display for the violation of license restriction, $240 fine. It will abstract to the Secretary of State, however, it won't carry points. And amended count of 1 to 5 for the 6 to 10 over $125 fine. That will be 1 point on your driving record. You have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Glover. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner, have a conversation with them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Ms. Bradfield, are we ready on Ms. Latham?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see, let's go back on the record with Ms. Latham. Ms. Latham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Latham is aware of her trial rights and she understands that she can hold a trial today if she chooses. However, she would like to enter a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation to amend the failure to signal ticket to limited access speeding 1 to 5 over and the dismissal of the balance.
And then what about the no offer on the improper plates? Were they willing to dismiss that?
Yes, Your Honor, she provided valid documentation for insurance and registration.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Latham?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right, on behalf of your client, counsel, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
I guess blocking traffic went out of the window, didn't it? I haven't seen that in a long time. With that stipulation, go ahead.
I do want to say though, in regards to the failure to signal ticket, for the record, that she was unaware that her signal wasn't working.
Yeah,
she since had it repaired.
I think that, you know, that failing to use a turn signal and getting an abstractable offense it's kind of a, you know, it's an offer. It's reducing it from a 2-point offense to a 1, but you know.
Oh, to a 0.
To a zero, but it's that abstraction. $125, ma'am. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on behalf of your client, counsel.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
When can you pay it, Ms. Latham?
I can pay it tomorrow before I go to work.
Okay, you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. Since you said tomorrow before you go to work.
Yes, I'm sorry.
I'll just give you until the end of the week, all right?
Okay, that'll be fine.
And pay it, and then if you come on down to the courthouse or pay it at the kiosk, it'll go through immediately. And I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, Ms. Latham. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Your Honor, on Glover.
What about Glover?
I need a SOS for his license.
Mr. Glover's license, please. All right, let's go back on this. Are you ready on green, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would like to ask that this matter be set for pretrial, and we would like to request, or should I say, adjournment of pretrial. We would like to request an attorney to be appointed on this case.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What I need for you to do is I need for you to answer the calls you don't recognize. one of those calls should be that appointed attorney, or check your email along with your spam. So I'm gonna put your email address down here as well. I set a pre-trial date for October 18th, 2024 at 8:30. We'll know at that time whether you have that attorney. If you don't have it, we'll appoint one on the spot for you, all right?
Okay.
October 18th, 8:30. Have a very good day, Mr. Green. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Blake, what are you gonna do with Dreyer?
He's gonna take the plea offer, Your Honor.
We've already sworn him in, haven't we? Just, yeah, we've already sworn him in. Mr. Dreyer.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm asking you. All right, you gotta turn your camera on, sir. Sorry about that. All right, let's go again. Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Blake, did you go over his advice and rights?
I did, Your Honor.
Mr. Faulkner went over them as well. You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August 17th, 2023 at around 11:07 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Thin Line and 7 Miles. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Are you going to voir dire your client, Mr. Blake?
Judge, I don't have my file in front of me, so.
Well, on that date and time, I just want to make sure that he can. What were you doing?
I was on my way home.
Mr. Greer, were you driving in excessive speed?
Yes.
Way over the speed limit?
That I do not recall, but I know I was driving at excessive speed limit.
So here's the deal on these reckless drivings. He doesn't recall how fast he's going, but I'll let Officer Evans, if she wants to speak on this, if she's still here. I don't see her. Because speeding in and of itself, it's got to be more to it.
Right. I agree.
I mean, it's got to be more to it. I mean, were you doing donuts in the road, sir?
No.
You know, and he can't tell me, you know, if he's going 40 miles an hour over the speed limit, that's another story. You could probably make the case for reckless driving at that point. But speeding in and of itself, Mr. Bowman, go ahead. First and foremost, where is Officer Evans?
Apparently, Officer Evans has checked out. For the record, Officer Evans was here. She did appear as requested. And based upon that information, I believe that this plea should be honored.
Well, I'm trying to honor it. I'm trying to honor it, but I cannot. I cannot accept a plea to somebody that says they're merely speeding and they have no, he says he admits to speeding, but this is a reckless driving. And now, I guess Officer Evans chose to leave, didn't let anybody know, definitely didn't let me know. And I was gonna give your officer an opportunity to give her version of the events that she witnessed, but she's not here.
Well, Your Honor, all that I could request that we give Officer Evans an opportunity to return on another day.
Say that again?
I would request that Officer Evans be given the opportunity to return on another day.
What do you say, Mr. Blake? Because today is the date and time set for trial.
Judge, we think it would be in the best interest of justice to dismiss the reckless. It was set for trial today. My client can't establish a factual basis to speeding. I agree with the court, it's not enough. The officer, she already has the luxury of zooming in. I don't understand why they couldn't leave a place where they could be reached to chat, something like that. So we'd ask the court to dismiss the reckless. Thank you.
One last thing, Mr. Bowman.
Interest of justice, she was here, and she's a police officer. We don't know whether or not there was an emergency, and so I think we, in the interest of justice, we ought to give her a benefit of the doubt as to whether or not there was some type of exigent circumstances that she had to leave and not notify us. She was here, she was on time. We need to give her that. This hearing was set for a much earlier time. She was here at that time, and defense counsel was late. So if we're going to balance equities fully, then the equities and the interests of justice I would request that she be given one more opportunity.
All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna offer the people the opportunity for adjournment. I'm gonna say this though, I do not like when an officer just leaves the room and doesn't say anything. Here she is back. So it may have been an issue of her. Officer Evans, good morning to you.
Good morning, sorry about that.
Sorry. All right, so we're on the record with Mr. Greer, and we have his counsel, Mr. Blake here, Mr. Bowman, and now we have you back. How do you want to proceed with this, Mr. Blake, with your client? I mean, if your client is ready to offer a plea in this matter, I would be willing to ask Ms. Officer Evans what she noticed, and if your client has some objection to that, how do you want to do that? This is your client.
That would be
right.
That would be fine, Judge. My client has no recollection of what the specific violation is. So if the officer can state what it is, we can stipulate to it if it's true.
All right, so Officer Evans, on this date of August 17, 2023 at 11:07 p.m., you wrote Mr. Greer a ticket for reckless driving amongst other things. It does say pass on right. So I don't see any notes, and we're trying to make a factual basis for the amended count of drag racing. What did you observe Mr. Greer to do?
To be honest, Your Honor, I really don't remember this case. I don't have no recollection of this. Yeah.
All right. So Mr. Blake.
That makes it pretty easy for us now, Judge. We'd ask the court to dismiss the reckless.
Okay. That motion is granted, dismiss. Officer Evans, I appreciate you returning, and be safe out there. I'll mark the file no recollection. And be safe and have a great day. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Okay, now we're looking at the other offer. The other part of the tickets were to 1 to 5 limited access on the failure to use a turn signal. Limited access, $125. That is a 0 point offense, but it will abstract to the Secretary of State. What you might want to do with that?
He's going to plead responsible, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on behalf of your client.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, dismiss the other matter. When can you pay it, Mr. Greer?
Not paid in 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Or 2 weeks.
Are you working?
Not right now. Not at the moment, no.
All right, I'll give you till 9/9 to pay it. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Greer, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you. You too.
And Judge, you said you were dismissing the driving while license suspended case.
That was expired. We're dismissing that for providing valid documentation. He has a valid license now.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, be safe. Be safe, everybody. Have a good day.
Thank you, counsel.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Bowman.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Glover. Mr. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Mr. Faulkner?
There we go.
He's got a valid license.
He does have a valid license. Here's what
Yes.
happens on these, Your Honor. He just violated his parole when he got these tickets, and he served 9 months in prison as a result.
Say that again?
From the first case of the restricted license, that's before 24, I am on parole. I went to parole. My case was dismissed by Stephen Bietta, the judge there, and I was issued a fine. I would have a lawyer that I was paying, but I went to jail for 9 months because of that situation already. My last lawyer had informed me that if I came in and spoke about this, that it could probably clear some of that up. Also, I was told to get my license. I got my license like that was asked before this court date, and I've attempted to pay off what I could in this time.
I'm not understanding what's going on. You didn't go to prison for 9 months for a violation of a license.
This court, hold on 1 second, please. I don't want to be wrong about what I'm saying because it's one on here from 22 that one of these tickets were from 22.
2023.
3/9/23, that one.
3/9/2023. I don't know. You have one from that date. You have a disregarding traffic control device, like running a red light, obstruction plate, and defective equipment. Those tickets we're not even talking about today because those are civil infractions. They're in default, and you'd have to just pay those.
Okay, all right. I was a little confused about what. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So the ones we're talking about today are the 5/28/2024 allegations of driving on a restricted license.
Okay.
The 6 to 10 over, And then we'll go back to the 2023 ticket, and that's a no insurance charge.
Okay.
So the offer was to dismiss the no insurance charge, amend the violation of restricted license to a failure to display. It will abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points. And a 1 to 5 for the and over. That's going to be 1 point. So you basically have 2 abstractions for the same stop, and a 1 to 5. It'll give you that 1 point on your license. So $240 for the misdemeanor of amended count of failure to display, and a 1 to 5, $125, and it'll result in 1 point on your license with 2 abstractions. So that's what the offer is for these two.
Okay, all right, because I'm all right. I get it. So because I see this now, it is 2 separate.
So and the allegations suggest that on this date, Mr. Parker, he drove no licensed driver in vehicle while he was on an instruction permit. Right now, the license as it stands is a full license. So either the allegation was not true at the time, or since that time, he's come into compliance. So that is what, that's where we're at, all right? So I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room with Mr. Faulkner, have a discussion with him, and let us know what you wanna do when you come out.
Okay.
Your Honor, let's see, what was I going to ask here?
I could probably read.
Is his license valid now? I didn't catch that.
His license is valid, and it doesn't appear that he's operating on an instruction permit, if he was at all. At this time, he has a full license that expires 11/5/2027.
And what did you want to? What's the offer?
The offer was the violation of restricted license to a failure to display, and then a 1 to 5 for the speeding.
Okay.
Join the room. If you need to talk to the city, I'll give you an opportunity to do so.
Okay.
All right. Rejoin the room, Mr. Glover.
Okay. How do I do that?
You should be able to pull that back up. I'm gonna put you in a different room so that you don't have to search for it.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
And this is the last one, so either Ms. Backfield, if you want to go in there and have to get a part of that, you can, but if not, you can you're free to leave, or you can stick around until we close up.
You said which person?
We don't have any more.
Glover?
That's just
Okay.
Glover.
I'll just hold up.
What happened to this? Yes.
I just wanted to verify.
All right.
I couldn't get Glover out, Your Honor. I need help.
What do we want to do with Glover?
He's gonna take the plea.
To the failure to display to operate on a restricted license?
Yes, and then
1
1
to
to
5.
5. Was that limited access or?
It wasn't limited access.
Okay.
He's got a valid license now.
I know it, and I was thinking about the one he has a ticket for, it's not up to date. Seems like we could take
I don't
that.
see that, no, so those are all civil infractions that he's gonna have to pay those. He doesn't
Yes.
have anything else but these 3 open matters that, so really he's gonna have to pay 240, 125, 144, 126, 156.
Those are the ones he owns that are civil.
Once he owes the other civils that were in default, that he let go in default. And then he has the no insurance from back then that they're willing to dismiss, failure to display. Let's go back on the record with Glover. Mr. Bowman.
Yes, Your
Any
Honor.
objection to granting Mr. Glover some relief on this violation of license restriction?
No objection. No objection.
Yeah,
Your
so
Honor.
we'll just dismiss that, and you just plead to the 1 to 5 over $125, and then you got the other stuff to pay too.
So the default, so I gotta go to another courtroom for that, Judge? Because when I was
No, the defaults are gone. They're gone. That ship is sailed.
okay, all right.
You see what I'm saying? Those were gone, what, last year or sometime. So
That's
those
why
you just pay those.
Okay, so just pay. All right, because I was confused. All right, thank you, man. I'm like, oh my god.
So are we on the same page now?
Now we on the same page because when the last court date was like they were gonna pile everything together is what they told me, but now you telling me they're in default, so all I gotta do is pay those, and then you're ordering me $125 to pay for the
For the 3 matters today, we'll dismiss 2 of them. You pay the 1 today.
I can't pay it all in today, but I can pay it in the next 3 weeks for sure.
We'll get you some time. Do you want to take the deal, Mr. Glover?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an aggravated basis for that responsible plea on behalf of your client, Constable.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, 1 point, $125, dismissing the other charges, waive the warrant fee, and then you'll owe, on top of that, those old civil infractions, 156, 126, 144. I'm going to give them pay by 9/26/2024, and I'm going to mark the file allowed payment plan. So either do 1 of 2 things: pay it off by 9/26/2024, or get into a payment plan before that date, and you'll be fine. All right.
Okay. It'll be
Any
paid off.
further questions? Go ahead.
I say it'll be paid in full. The 125 will.
The 125, and then you got the other stuff that'll be on you. I'll still allow you a payment plan to that as well. So anything else, sir? If there's nothing else, sir. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you have returned to society a more productive and informed individual after that stint in jail. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too.